The internet is full of tools that can enhance your productivity and creativity. In this article, we've gathered 19 incredible websites you might not know about, each designed to help you work more efficiently and make money. Discover these hidden gems that can transform your daily tasks. Meet Gamma, the ultimate tool for creating unlimited presentations. Create stunning presentations, polished documents, or even professional websites in less than a minute. Kick Resume, an AI tool that lets you create resumes and CVs in minutes. It's one of the quickest resume builders available. AI Vocal Remover. Easily extract audio from various video formats, separate vocals from background music, and maintain high sound quality. LensGo AI. Create photos and videos effortlessly by describing them. Transform your text into stunning visuals. BookWiz, an AI-powered book editor that helps you write and publish your book online in just a week. BookWiz makes writing and editing a breeze. Julius AI. Save time by letting Julius handle your data. Turn hours of Excel work into mere minutes. Plate. Engage in real-time AI conversations. Enjoy AI-powered text-to-speech with ultra-low latency under 300 milliseconds. PixPic IA, an AI-powered portrait generator for crafting stunning professional photos in various styles. FlowWrite. Easily turn your ideas into polished professional emails. Just type your thoughts and FlowWrite will craft them into a well-structured email. Feathery. More than just a form builder, Feathery lets you create pixel-perfect UI designs with no-code forms and workflows. LumaLabs Dream Machine, a next-gen video model that transforms text and images into breathtaking, hyper-realistic visuals using advanced AI technology. Supercook, a recipe search engine that helps you find dishes based on the ingredients you have at home. Typeframes. Create stunning product videos in minutes. Effortlessly craft captivating videos to enhance your brand and boost conversions. Meet Global GPT. This all-in-one AI platform provides worldwide access to GPT-4, Claude 3.5, Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and more. No limitations or separate subscriptions needed. SciSummary. Quickly condensed scientific articles with SciSummary, fast and accurate. Google Sites. Many people don't realize that Google offers a free tool for building your own website with no coding required. It's perfect for creating your online presence effortlessly. Watermark Remover. Use AI to effortlessly remove watermarks from images. Check out the convenience. Start Page. A privacy-focused search engine that doesn't track or store your personal data. Get Google search results while keeping your information secure. Answer Socrates. Discover the questions people are asking on Google about almost any topic, completely free, perfect for keyword research needs. 11 Labzio. Clone any voice using just a minute of audio. Generate high-quality voice outputs from text with cutting-edge cloning technology.